So today I have a new product for review, and it's Jabra Talk 65. So this is a premium Bluetooth mono headset. So today I got a new product for review. So today I got a new product for review. It's Jabra Talk 65, and this is a Bluetooth mono headset. So let's go and unbox this first. Okay, this is the product, and so some documentation. What do we have here? Looks like a Type-C cable. Okay, that's cool. I love Type-C cables. Okay. Now, here is the product, and so the product comes with a couple of ear gels as well. Let's go and okay. Okay. Okay, so the product is really lightweight. So what I really love about this product is its form factor. This is really impressive. See, the form factor is really impressive, and this comes with a Type-C port. That's really helpful, and three buttons here. One is the power button, and the other one is the access. And the same button can also be used to access the voice assistant, and also you can mute your microphone using the same button. And you have the volume up and volume down buttons here. So this is really cool. So I like the way how they place the buttons, so they're really convenient to use. And using the Jabra button here, you can answer or end a call, and also by double pressing it, you can reject a call. So that's really convenient. Now let's go ahead and so Jabra claims that this is IP65 rated. So I'm not going to test that right now because this is my personal one, and this is the only one I got right now to take all my office calls. So I don't want to risk damaging this product. So talking about the features, Jabra claims that this product has a couple of mics, and Jabra claims that it can cancel up to 80% of noises, and 14 hours of talk time with USB charging. It's a big claim, so I'm going to test that, and I'll let you know that if this product stands up to that. And Jabra also claims that the battery backup up to 14 hours, which I'm going to test out and let you know, guys. Right now I'm outside, and this is the audio that you're hearing through my GoPro, and this is the audio from the Jabra Talk 65. Check 1 2 3, check 1 2 3. So let's go ahead and do a quick wind test. Okay, so right now I am at 20 kilometers per hour, and let me know how it sounds. I hope the sound is pretty good. I mean, sound quality is pretty good. So I have the vehicles ambient noise here, and there are some songs playing here. But again, just a caution, guys, don't ride without a helmet. I'm doing it just to show you the quality of this Jabra product, but I don't recommend you ride without a helmet, okay? Okay, so I think I hope that. Okay, so that's about Jabra Talk 65. If you have any questions, queries, please do let me know down in the comment section, and I'd be happy to answer them. And if you believe this video helped you make a purchase decision, please consider like and subscribing the channel. That will really help me to make more such honest videos. Till then, see ya.